I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with James, going on over 12 months, almost 13 months. And tell us about your experience. We're going to go ahead and show before and after pictures. You look
Okay.
absolutely amazing. So happy
Thank
for
you.
you. What has it done for your confidence? And just how quickly did the year fly by?
So year overall definitely went by quick. I think the initial few weeks after the surgery were a bit slow because you got to recover, and then you're waiting for that new hair to come in, and there's always that fear of like, is it gonna work? Like, how much am I gonna get? Um, but after like a few months, I could really start seeing like growth, and then probably 6 or 8 months in, I was like, I have a ton of hair now. And then it actually, the anniversary date of the 1 year date, I think it was September 17th, it came up and I was like, oh, it's been a year, like to the day, and it's fully grown in, um, no issues, like no one knows a thing about it unless I tell them. So that's cool. Definitely, it was overall really good experience, and worth the time in recovery and all that, you know?
Now you had the strip procedure. We call it the HUE Plus here. We focus on your frontal third area and the entire crown. We really wanted to try to get you as many hair follicles as possible. Does anybody even know about your scar? Your hairstylist? Do they even know that you have a scar, or can they see it?
No, they don't. Not unless I like tell them. But you can't see the scar, I mean, at all. I don't know if you want to see the back of my head, but unless I were to like buzz cut my head, you wouldn't see it. And then I was really bald on the crown too, and now I'm like not. My hairline is like solid,
You chose
and
that
yeah,
hairline, which I agreed with. I
I
mean,
did.
we talked
Yeah,
together. We made sure that you didn't get into those expression lines, into the wrinkles.
yep, yep.
It was a very realistic hairline, so I supported you 100%, gave you my recommendations.
Isn't it?
And not with the hair transplant. You look 20 again, which
Yeah, thanks. I get that a lot. People do not realize, like, some coworkers actually, they'll ask my age. I'm like, oh, I'm 36, and they're shocked. They're like, what? And I think to myself too, I'm like, well, I looked a lot older when I had like almost no hair left on my head.
we are going to
But
do a side
that's
by
all right.
side. So it's definitely going to be, people
Yeah,
will be able to see
definitely
it.
gonna be a good view. This is like a few months of growth. I haven't had a haircut in a while, so it's a little long, but you can really see like, I mean, you can't tell. It's awesome.
And again, I thank you so much for trusting in myself and my team. I love what I do. I enjoy these phone calls mean the world to me. This is what really changes, makes me a happy person.
Well, thank you too, and that's the reason I actually, for people wondering, I flew out of state. I flew across country to get the procedure done by you because I did a lot of research and just your website and everything, the videos, the feedback, everything. I was like, okay, I feel like this is the one for me. Seemed very reputable, seemed trustworthy, and then of course found out you like Star Wars, so I was like, all right, let's do it.
You definitely have the Star Wars shirt on, so
Yeah,
yes.
I did. Yeah.
And yes, I have my Star Wars collection here also. Um, well, again, I thank you for everything. Um, I'm Dr. Siegel with
Thank
Natural
you.
Transplants. Here's James. Again, you look amazing, and thank you again for trusting. If you have any questions, we do free consultations here at Natural Transplants. Would love to answer questions for you. Thank you so much.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.